In this video, we will compute the Laplace transform of the function f of t equals t. To start this, we'll use our definition of the Laplace transform that says that the Laplace transform of t is the integral from 0 to infinity of e to the negative st times our function t dt. We'll take a moment to rewrite this as the integral from 0 to infinity of t times e to the negative st dt, since it's normal to write a monomial before the exponential function, although this isn't an important change to make. In order to compute this integral, we will need to compute the antiderivative of the function t times e to the negative st. We'll need to do this using integration by parts. If you would like to see the steps of this integration done out, you can click on the pink link now. Otherwise, we'll proceed using that antiderivative. Using that the antiderivative of t times e to the negative st dt is negative 1 over s times t e to the negative st minus 1 over s squared e to the negative st, we can find the Laplace transform by evaluating at the bounds. Since we have an improper integral and our upper bound is infinity, we'll need to do this as a limit as b goes to infinity, where our upper bound is b. So the Laplace transform of t is the limit as b goes to infinity of negative 1 over s times t e to the negative st minus 1 over s squared e to the negative st, evaluated at 0 in b. Putting in our bounds, we get the limit as b goes to infinity of our antiderivative evaluated at b minus our antiderivative evaluated at 0. When we take the limit as b goes to infinity, both terms with e to the negative s times b will go to 0 so long as negative s is less than 0, or in other words, so long as s is positive. Looking at our other two terms, we can see that negative 1 over s times 0 times e to the negative s times 0 is just 0, and since e to the negative s times 0 is just 1, that last term is just negative 1 over s squared. Since we're subtracting that last term, negative 1 over s squared, we simply get 1 over s squared. So we can conclude that the Laplace transform of t is 1 over s squared for values of s that are bigger than 0.